In this Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial, we're going to create a pixelated mosaic blur effect. This effect divides the video into multiple tiles and creates a blocky pixelated style. Let's get started. First, select your clip on the timeline. Now go to the effects panel and search for mosaic. Drag and drop the effect onto your clip. Next, open the effect controls panel. The first option you'll see is tile shape. Here you can choose between square or hexagon tiles. A square creates a traditional pixelated look, while hexagon creates a more stylized mosaic pattern. Next, adjust number of tiles. This controls how many tiles appear across the image. Increasing the value creates smaller tiles, while reducing it creates larger pixel blocks. Next, adjust angle distortion. This slightly rotates and distorts the tile pattern to create a more dynamic visual effect. Finally, adjust softness. Softness smooths the edges of the tiles so the mosaic effect blends better with the footage. And that's it. You've successfully created a pixelated mosaic blur effect using the mosaic effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.